Hey my loves, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but you girls been enjoying life. I missed you guys, so I just decided to make a quick video for you guys. Nothing crazy, it's just some veggie fried rice, but it was so delicious. So those days when you just decide to skip the meat, the fish, and just go with something light. I think our body needs that at times. So I had some leftover rice, I had some mushrooms in the fridge, so I just whipped this up real quick and it turned out to be so yummy. So I got my skillet nice and hot and I added a little bit of oil to that, not a lot, and I'm using my brand new Hell's Kitchen skillet by the one and only Gordon Ramsay. One moment while I squeeze that in. Yes, I'm showing off, guys. I've always wanted this skillet set and I'm so happy I finally got it. Oh my gosh. All right, now back to the video. This is the first meal I made in that. I think I'm gonna upload a unboxing video of this skillet set for you guys, but this can be found on my Amazon storefront. I'll leave the link down below in the description. Okay guys, so I added a small chopped shallot. I'm just gonna saute that for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Let that cook together until it gets a little fragrant. Then I added my mushrooms. I thinly sliced these, but you could cut it however you prefer. I'm just gonna cook these a little bit for around 2 minutes. Then I just added some scallions for some more flavor. So at this point I should have added my mixed vegetables, but I totally forgot about them for a second. So if you're using mixed veggies, this is the time to add it. But I went ahead and I added my egg, just an egg. If you like a lot of eggs in yours, you can use 2 or even 3. So I allowed that to go for around 1.5 minutes. My flame's on medium high right now, and then I'm gonna add my rice. I have some leftover rice from yesterday. I'd say around 2 cups or 1.5 cups around. Once I add the rice, I turned my flame up to high because I want that crunchy fried rice feel. So I'm just using my spoon to break the rice apart a little bit, and then I'm gonna make sort of like a well to add my mixed veggies. I'm gonna mix that until everything is mixed in well, and then I'm gonna let it sit because I want the rice to be able to be fried. So you don't want to be there mixing too much. You want to let the flame do its thing. Then I added around 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using low sodium soy sauce. I'm just gonna add some seasonings to this, nothing crazy. Around 1 teaspoon of pepper. I added around 2 teaspoons of 5 spice. This is optional, but just for additional flavor. And a pinch of salt. Mix that all in and just let it sit some more. I like my rice a little bit more charred, but that's really it, guys. This took me roughly 10 minutes and I had a delicious meal to eat that was just packed with flavors. And of course you could add any protein of your choice if you like, whether shrimp, chicken, beef, you name it. And then I topped it off with some scallions on top. But this is how we're looking, some veggie fried rice. So whenever you feel like skipping the meat, the fish, whenever you feel like having something light, you have to try this recipe right here. I will leave all the ingredients down below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter so you receive free recipes each week straight to your email. I will leave the link down below to my website so you go ahead and sign up. Also, if you haven't grabbed your copy of my cookbook, now is the time to do so. I will leave the link down below to that as well. 10 classic Jamaican recipes for only $4.99. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out on any of these recipes as soon as I upload them. Thank you for your continuous support, guys. You guys are amazing. Walk good, stay safe. Until next time.